guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Spring is almost here. It's just a couple of days before spring starts, and I think it's about time for us to roll our sleeves up again and think about spring cleaning. Now in today's video, I'm going to start my spring cleaning series with my fridge. Yes, you've heard it right. We're going to start cleaning my fridge in this video. Our fridges are the most important and most hard-working appliances in our home. We have to take care of it. It keeps our food fresh and safe all the time for our family and friends. So, there are two things that we need today. First is vinegar. Second one is baking soda. Those two things are what we're going to use to clean our fridge. It's what I have been using and it still is. Others may use all-purpose cleaner or multi-purpose cleaner, but if you want an inexpensive way of cleaning your fridge or anything else inside your house, use your baking soda and vinegar. So, let's start this video. If you want to hear more tips from me and if you want to see how I clean my fridge, please keep watching. Okay, now before you even start removing everything inside the fridge, you have to turn off your fridge before you do that, just to save you electricity. And also, while removing, the foods inside your fridge, you can now then check if there's anything expired, anything that you need to throw away. Any bottles that are empty, throw that away, so you can make some room in your fridge once you have done your shopping. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna remove everything now. Now that my fridge is empty, I can now start going through everything from what's inside my fridge, and I'm gonna start throwing them away. Now that my fridge is empty, I'm gonna now remove the shelves from the fridge. And then we are going to start cleaning them with the mixture that we made, the vinegar and baking soda mixture. So when you're doing this, you just have to be careful not to break the glass, especially if it's glass. Some fridges, you cannot remove the shelvings. But others, like my fridge, you're able to, so it's easier to clean. Give it a good wash. Okay. Now some of my shelvings are here now. I'm gonna start cleaning them. I'm gonna use the mixture that I made. Just gonna grab a sponge, a wet sponge. All of the trays are drying. I removed everything, the crispers, all the trays in the door. Aside from this, I really cannot remove it. The shelves are there. I've washed it with the mixture that we have, the vinegar and baking soda paste. Now we're gonna clean the inside of the fridge. Now that we have all of the trays inside our fridge, I'm gonna start putting back everything. Now just with the eggs, once you have placed the eggs inside the fridge, you cannot remove them and put it outside or in your pantry unless you have to cook them. That's one tip, guys. If you have any anti-slip mat that you can put inside your fridge, that'll be good. Otherwise, you have to maintain your fridge every time. Because, as I said, mine, the last time I cleaned my fridge was a couple of weeks back, I think. It's just, yeah, I just had to do it today just because my husband, I think, will go and do his shopping tomorrow. So better to clean your fridge before you go shopping. So as soon as you finish and done your shopping, you can store them inside the fridge. Your fridge is clean and safe. Now everything is inside the fridge. We can now start cleaning the door. As I said, this spray bottle, you can use it to spray on your fridge's door and just wipe it with your cleaning cloth. And the side of your door, don't forget. And then what I usually do, I will follow it up with a paper towel or just a dry cloth as well. I'm gonna get back with you. I'm just gonna turn my fridge on and then we'll wrap this up. Now that we have finished cleaning and putting everything back inside the fridge, so there's a little bit of a smell of the vinegar in the fridge. Now, there's a couple of ways how to tackle that. First thing, since we have the baking soda in hand, you can put baking soda in a container like this, chuck it inside your fridge, and just change it every month. Now, if you don't have a baking soda, but you have charcoal, any kind of charcoal, I have activated charcoal here, you can do the same thing. Put it in a container, place it inside your fridge, and change it every month. These two, baking soda and the activated charcoal, they are great for absorption, so they can absorb odor from the fridge. Another tip, if you don't have any of those, and if you have orange or lemon, peel them. Lemon and orange peel is a great freshener inside your fridge. Your fridge will smell amazing, I'm telling you, if you put any of those two fruit peels inside your fridge. So again, it's lemon or orange. Your fridge is smelling fresh all the time. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Again, I would love to encourage everyone to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. How often do you clean your fridge? As I said a while ago, the last time I cleaned my fridge was a couple weeks back. When did you last clean your fridge? I want to know. Please tell me, comment down below, and what kind of cleaner do you use? Again, most inexpensive way of cleaning your fridge is baking soda and vinegar. Sometimes all we need is a little bit of cleaning motivation to tackle the spring cleaning jobs like this. This is no different. I hope I've given you some tips and some tricks, and I hope I've motivated you today in cleaning your fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share this to your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!